Kenny's Yacht Maintenance at the Paseo de la Princesa in Puerto Rico, where we're in the business of working smarter, not harder.
Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, welcome back. We just finished painting the first coat of Alexseal 501 on this boat right behind me, this sailboat. We started at 6 a.m. Took us just about 2 hours to complete the first coat of paint. Check it out. Pretty shiny for the first coat. Now people always say to me, Kenny, some of the subscribers, what do you mean by working smarter and not harder? It's a phrase I use all the time. I've been in business for over 25 years doing just what I do here. Yacht refinishing, yacht painting. And I started painting an entire boat like 20 years ago with one ladder. Imagine having to use one ladder to paint a 40-foot boat. Every 3-4 feet you got to move that ladder. So I would move a ladder every 3-4 feet, up and down, up and down. At the end of the day, you're just tired going up and down a ladder. So I decided there gotta be a smarter way to work. I invested in workbenches and also some scaffolding. So these are just some of my workbenches, and I'm able to line up the benches all around the boat, connected by painter's plank, and I could walk right around the entire boat without having to step down. As you could see, I'm staged the entire boat all the way around. 10 benches connected by painter's plank, and also I have like 4 ladders on this job. We already packed them up. 4 ladders at separate points that I could access the platform. It's all about working in a safe environment. We don't want to fall and break a leg. So there's ladders at different points of the staging so we could access. But here's the challenge. Sometimes I come to work in the morning and my benches are missing. Somebody, quote unquote, borrow or lend my bench. And it takes me half an hour to 45 minutes walking around the yard to find my bench, only to find out maybe a friend of mine who took the bench. So you don't want to get angry. So to prevent that, having to waste 45 minutes walking around the yard to find my bench, I bought a padlock and a chain, and every day after work I would have to pack up, break up all those benches and pack all benches and change them to one of the jack stand. But that's non-productive, having to spend half an hour every day to pack up the benches, break down the stage, and every morning half an hour to set up all the benches again. That's just non-productive. So Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we always thinking of ways to work smarter and not harder. What did we do? Check this out. We got 120 feet of chain, and we laced the chain right through the legs of all the benches. Just check it out. It goes all the way around. It's laced 120 feet of chain. Heavy duty chain. Makes a loop here. And it passes through the legs of my ladders. And then it goes to a combination lock. This is just one of the ways that we came up with to keep my workbench in place, that I don't have to break down my workbench every day and set up the next day every day. This is just time. Time is too important. It's useless work, extra work added, and my bench can stay in place. And we come in the morning and we start sanding or start painting. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. We work smarter and not harder. So keep on keeping on. We have over 25 years of experience doing yacht refinishing that we just sharing with the public, sharing with people that's interested. We're giving it to you for free. Just subscribe to the channel. We've been doing varnish work, interiors, exteriors for many years. Certified all grip applicator, certified Alexseal applicator. So when we come to the job, we know what we're doing. We trained to do this stuff. So please like, share and subscribe. We also sell all the Alexseal and all grip product, specialized colors, customized colors. We could get it to you in 2 weeks. We got direct contact with the companies, the distributors, that we put in an order for any customized color. You could go to the Home Depot and get a color card, and if that's the color you want for your boat, nobody else has that color, we can get that color. Just get me that color card and I will get you that color. This is how we do it at Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Stay tuned for tips on working smarter and not harder.
From Massachusetts Institute of Technology, I am the proud product of Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where we are in the business of working smarter, not harder. Please like, share, and subscribe.